Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is SkyTech Digital. Now in this video we're going to talk about 7 best Google Chrome extensions for every web designer. So if you're a web designer out there and you're wondering which tools to use as Google Chrome extensions, then this video is for you. I'm going to talk about all 7 extensions, and then I will also show you how you can be able to get the extensions. Okay, so that is all what we're going to talk about, how to use those extensions and how best it can help you with your web design flow. So without wasting my time, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so the first thing that we're going to talk about is the ColorPick Eyedropper. Okay, ColorPick Eyedropper. So to search for this extensions, we need to go to the Google Chrome web store. Okay, so go to a new tab over here and then type in chrome.google.com/web store. Okay, just type in this one and then hit enter. Now it will take you to the Google Chrome web store over here, and then over here we say to search the store, just type in ColorPick Eyedropper over there. Okay, ColorPick Eyedropper, not picker, ColorPick Eyedropper. Now make sure that you type in this exact thing over here and then hit enter, and then you're gonna see this one, the first one over here. Okay, which says ColorPick Eyedropper. Okay, click on it. Now make sure that you click on it, and then you see this blue button over here which says add to Chrome. Okay, now of course you can read through and then know how you can be able to use the extension, but then just click add to Chrome over here, because I'm going to show you, and then you see this pop up over here. Okay, it will tell you what it will do, and then it says read and change all data on your website. Now if you want it, just click on extension, add extension, and then it's going to download the extension and then add it to your Google Chrome browser. Okay guys, as you can see, it has been added over here, and then the blue button which says add to Chrome has been changed to removed from Chrome. Okay, so as you can see, it has been added, and it says ColorPick Eyedropper has been added to Chrome. Okay, so make your extensions by clicking the extensions in the manage your extensions by clicking the extensions in the window. Now to manage your extensions, you see this button over here. These are the extensions. Okay, so when you click on it, you can see it. Now you can click over here to manage all extensions that you have. Now as you can see, I have a lot of extensions over here. Now we're going to talk about some of these ones which is important to you guys. So when you install it, now of course you can use it to do anything you want to do. Okay, so when you go to over here, and then you want to pick any color. Okay, let's say I want to pick some color, so I can just click on it, and then you see this one which says ColorPick Eyedropper. I'll click on it over here, and then just use it on anything I want. Okay, so as you can see, it shows me the color over here. Okay, so if I hover on it over here, I'm going to see the color over here. Then if I click on it, I'll be able to copy the color. Okay, so we have the RGB over here, and then the hex color code to over here. Any one that you want, you can pick it. Okay, so for those of you who use Elementor and sometimes you want to pick colors and other stuff from here to here, you can use this ColorPick Eyedropper to be able to pick your color codes and then use it in most of your design process. Okay, so that is number one. Now number two that we're going to talk about is I'm going to talk about Lorem Ipsum generator. Okay, so for every web designer, sometimes you do a staging website, or you even do templates and other stuff. Okay, so you need demo content to be able to do that website that you are designing, and that is why Lorem Ipsum generator come into into play. Okay, so now how do you install it? Now go to the the Google Chrome web store over here. Now I'm going to go to home over there, and then we're going to search for what? Lorem Ipsum generator. Okay, so I'm going to search for this one over here, and then I'm going to find this one which says what? Yet another Lorem Ipsum generator. This is what I want to download. Now of course there are a lot of them over here. You can add those ones to Chrome, but this one is what I want. So I'm going to just click on it, and then go to add to Chrome over here, and then add to extension, and then it's going to download it for me, and then add it to the extension. As you can see, it has been added to the extension over here. Now if I want to do something, let's say I need some few things over here. So I'm writing an article, and then I need a demo content to write my article. Okay, now how do I do it? Now go to the extensions over here, and then I click on the extension, this one over here, click on it. Okay, and then if I want a title, I can choose a title over here. But if I want a paragraph, this one I want a paragraph, so I can just choose the paragraph that I want. Okay, so as you can see, we have 1 2 3 4 5. So I'm going to choose all the 5 paragraphs, click on it over here. Now it is copied to the clipboard. Okay, so all what I need to do is to do just hit on the Command V or Control V to paste it. Okay, so I'll just hit on it, and then as you can see, it is pasted over here. 1 2 3 4 5 paragraphs. Okay, now I can do so to generate more paragraphs to do my my demo website. Okay, and that is the Lorem Ipsum generator. Okay, that is that one. Now the third one that we're going to talk about is WhatFont. Okay, WhatFont. Now WhatFont is also very, very important, because as a web designer, sometimes you see let me just go to a different website, like let's say kitechdigital.com. okay, and then you go to the website and you like their font over there. You really like their font, you want to use that particular font, but you don't know the font that they are using. Okay, so what are you supposed to do? You need that extension, the WhatFont extension, to be able to help you to do to get the font name, so that you can be able to use it also on the project that you're working on. Okay, and that is the most important thing. So let's say you see this font, you like it, okay, but you don't know the kind of font that they want. So you go to the Google Chrome over here, and then let's go to home over here. So you go to chrome.google.com/webstore, and then all what you do is you searching for what font. Okay, just like this over here, and then just hit on enter. Now you're gonna see this one over here, okay, which says what font. Okay, and that is what we now, as you can see, I've already added it, but then you can go through and then add it. Okay, so as you can see, it is added over there. Now I've shown you how you can be able to add it. So if you go back over here, and then you see this website over here, just click on the extensions over here, and then locate WhatFont. Okay, this one is what we're looking for. Okay, so just click on it, and then what you're gonna do is just hover on on the font, and as you can see, it tells you the name of the font. It says Montserrat. Okay, so if I go over here, it says Poppins. If I go over here, it says Montserrat. Okay, and that is an amazing thing about this particular it's very simple extension to use, very, very simple, and it does its work as it's supposed to do. Okay, now sometimes when you are adding it to the Chrome, you need to reload your page before it takes effect. Okay, so note that one also. So that is what font. Okay, what font over here. Now the next one that we're going to talk about is, so to make the extension go away, all what you need to do is go back over there and then just click on it. Okay, and as you can see, it is gone. Okay, now the next one that we're going to talk about is CSS viewer. Okay, CSS viewer. Now let's go back to the Chrome, web store over there, and then click on the home, and then we're going to search for what? CSS viewer, an extension that helps us to view CSS. Okay, so this is what CSS viewer for Google Chrome, and that is what we want. Just click on it over here, and then click on add to Chrome. And then click on what? Add extension. It will download the extension and add it to what? The Chrome for you. Now most of the extensions are not that big, so don't worry that it will what? It's going to how do you call it? It's gonna make slow your machine or whatever it is. No, you can clear cache and all those things, so do not worry about it. Now that we have what? Installed the what? We've added it to our Chrome. All what we need to do is what? To view the CSS that we want. Okay, so go to the extension icon over there, click on it, and then we're looking for the the CSS viewer. As you can see, this one over here. So access granted is what? To give extensions access to this site. Okay, so you click it. So let's click on it, and then we want to view it. Now to start it, only click on what? Start over here. Okay, now I'm going to click on escape, and then it will go. So as you can see, what it does is what? It gives me what? The full what? CSS view of the particular item that you hover on. Okay, so I am hovering on what? The title over here. Okay, so as you can see, the font family is Montserrat. The font size is 59 pixels. The font width is what? 900. The line height is 59 pixels, and then the text decoration is non-solid. It gives you all those things, and then the word spacing and all those things. Now if I want to you see, if I move the cursor on it, it goes away. Okay, so what it does is, now look down. Okay, look down over here. Now I'm going to click on F to freeze the what? The window. Okay, so when you click on F over here, it freezes the what? The window, so I can move my what? My mouse around. Now as you can see, the details are over here. The keys that you have to use the F on your keyboard to freeze or unfreeze the what? The window over here, and then C for CSS, and then if you want to escape it, you click on what? If you want to close it, you click on what? The escape what? Key. Okay, and that is it. So let's say I want to unfreeze it, and I'll just click on this one, and as you can see, it goes again. Okay, so over here also I can hover on the the button over here, and they give me the full details of what? The button. Okay, so as you can see, it gives you what? The full details, the color background, everything about what? The button, the positioning, the font and text, the the effect that it's even what? It's even given. Okay, the transition and all those things, everything is gonna what? Is gonna give you everything. Okay, and that is the amazing thing about what? This CSS what? Viewer. Okay, now it's very handy. It comes in handy whenever you are what? Working on a project. You've seen somebody's what? Project, you want to copy some idea from that place to your place. You need the font type and all those things. This one comes in what? In handy. Okay, so you can freeze and unfreeze, and then you can click on what? Escape to what? To make the window go away, and that is CSS what? Viewer. Okay, so that is it. Now the next one that we're going to talk about is also what we call Grammarly. Okay, now for those of you who don't know, Grammarly is very, very important. As you can see, I have Grammarly already installed over here. You can see the G over here. Okay, so when I'm typing something and I make a mistake, Grammarly will what? Will correct it. Now the reason why Grammarly is not able to correct this ones over here is it's not in English. It's not really in English. Okay, but if I write something in English, so let's say I write something in English. Okay, so let's say I write welcome to my blog. You see that it underlines it for me. Okay, now that is what? The work of what? Grammarly. Okay, if I hover my mouse on it, you see that what? It shows me that the welcome is what? Is wrong. I need to what? I need to correct it over here, and I can just what? Click on it to what? Correct it. Okay, now this one is very, very good for SEO purposes and other stuff. You need to make sure that your English that you are writing, no spelling mistakes, everything is correct, where you need to put full stop, you have to put full stop over there and all those kind of stuff. Okay, so it is very, very handy. So Grammarly is very good as a web designer, especially for us using WordPress. Okay, so now how do you install Grammarly? It is also the same way. Go to open your Google over there, and then type in Grammarly grammar checker and writing app. Okay, just click on it over here. So, or you can even type in Grammarly Google Chrome extension. Okay, and then it will come. Okay, now you're gonna see this one over here. Okay, which says grammar checker and writing app. Okay, so just click on it, and you're gonna see this one over here, and that is exactly the one that you want to install. So let's remove the this one from it, and then just type in grammar checker. So it still didn't it didn't show over here. Okay, I don't know why it's not showing when you search for it over here, but this is the exact one that we are looking for. So go to your your Google browser, and then type in Grammarly grammar checker and writing app over there. Okay, and you're gonna find this the link to this page over here, and then you see this blue button which says add to Chrome over there. Just click on it and then install it. Okay, when you install it, I've gone through the process of installing it with you guys, so when you install it, now you can you can use it on your on your project that you are working on. Okay, and that is Grammarly grammar checker writing app. Okay, and that is it. Now so we've talked about ColorPick Eyedropper, we've talked about Grammarly, we've talked about WhatFont, we've talked about CSS viewer, and then we talk about Lorem Ipsum generator. Okay, now the next one that we're gonna talk about is GoFull Pro. Okay, so GoFull Pro is also one of the best extensions for Google Chrome. Okay, now why am I saying GoFull? Did I say GoFull Pro? No, GoFull page. Sorry, GoFull page. Okay, go full page. Now let's go to the Google Chrome over there, and then search for GoFull page. Okay, so this is just a screen capture. Okay, what it does is to capture the screen, and it is amazing. As you can see, I've already added it already. Now of course, if I come over here and I want to capture this whole website, the front page of the website, all what I need to do is install GoFull page over here. Okay, just install it, and then I come to the website over here, click on the extensions over here, and then I'm going to see the GoFull page. Where is it? Yeah, GoFull page over here. Okay, so this one, as you can see, so I'm just going to click on this extension, and what it's going to do is just capture the whole screen for me. Okay, so it's going to capture the whole website page for me, and that is the full page. Okay, that is why it says GoFull page. Okay, and this is an amazing extension that, as a web designer, after creating your your website and other stuff, all what you need is something to showcase it. Okay, and this is the best tool that you can use to capture the whole screen, to send to your your clients to see the design that you have made. So that is it. So if you want to save it in a PDF, you can click here to download the PDF. If you want to just save it as a PNG, you click over here, it will be saved as a PNG for you, and that is GoFull page. Okay, that is it. Now the last one that I'm going to talk about is image downloader. Now this one is also for images. Okay, so maybe you see an image you like, you want to download on a particular website. If you have an image downloader on your website, you can be able to download it. So let me see if I still have that image downloader by. So as you can see, I have image downloader by Image. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go to the Chrome store over here, and then search for image downloader. Okay, this one over here. So this is what I have installed over here. Just click on it, and then add to Chrome. Okay, and then you can be able to go to any website over here, click on the extension. Okay, so where is the image downloader? This one over here. Now it will look through the website, search all the images over there, and then you'll be able to see all the images. As you can see, it says it's analyzing 8 out of 110 images. So as you can see, it even brought up my logo over here. Okay, and that is the image downloader over here. So you can use it to download any kinds of images that you want, if only the website permits you to download that particular image. Okay, and that is it. So that is image downloader for you. So guys, this is the best 7 tools that you can be able to use as a web designer to start developing and designing your website, quality website. These are all Google Chrome extensions that you can of course there are more. You can exploit the extension to get more extensions. So as you can see, I have if I want to check a website traffic, I know Alexa is not working anymore, but the extension still works. Okay, so I can be able to check a particular website traffic. So as you can see, on my website is doing well, amazingly well. It is having 226,000 as at now. It is ranked 226,000, which is great as a web designer's website. Okay, that is amazing. So that is how I keep running my web design business, having amazing extensions that will be able to help me run the web design business that I run. Okay, so I hope this tutorial helps you guys to be able to get the best extensions to be able to use on your next web design project. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.